Welcome to Good Food and Tours Jamaica, and today we are in the town of Mandeville. We will be looking at the best Chinese restaurant spots, and right now we are going to start with Bamboo Garden Restaurant. So let's go. So the restaurant is on the second floor at the back of this plaza. Today, you're going to see what Jamaican Chinese food looks like. It's very different from Chinese food served all over the world. And we're starting with Bamboo Garden Restaurant. So because of COVID, you're not allowed to go into the restaurant and dine. You have to stand outside right at the entrance and order your food. This is what the menu looks like, and Bamboo Garden has been in Mandeville for years. So let's go in and try their food. Alright, so guys, let's try Bamboo Village. Alright, so I'm well hungry. It's like after lunchtime, and I'm excited because who doesn't love Chinese food, right? Whoa! My bad. Wow, this look kind of nice. The nice packaging, plastic. And now, alright, fried rice, sweet and sour chicken. So let's do this. Get all of the gravy over it, because what's sweet and sour chicken without the gravy? Let's go. This tastes so good. I'm getting that sweet and sour taste, but it's not like loud and bold to like kick you or blow you away. But let me go ahead and give some to my daughter, because she's like, Mom. Very good. When it comes to the fried rice, it is literally one of the best fried rice in Mandeville. It's not overpowering. It is just completely balanced with the soy sauce. It's not too salty. It tastes exactly how fried rice should taste. Very good. Overall, from Bamboo Garden, I'm getting this oriental taste. It seems as if they use sesame seed oil or peanut oil, whatever it is. It tastes really good. So this is a good way to start with Bamboo Garden on the top. Look at it, it's beautiful. A nice big old chunk of pineapple. That's some good sweet and sour chicken. So let's move on to the second restaurant, which is Brothers Restaurant. It was formerly known as, or before as, China Jade Restaurant, but now them changed their name to Brothers Restaurant, which is really weird for me because as a child or a teenager growing up, we always call it China Jade. So we're going Brothers Restaurant right now. We drive up or through the town, and the restaurant is located next to Bashko, right on the second plaza, well, the second floor of this plaza, right there. So let's go up. We go through this little stairs, make a little corner, and bam, boom, boom, you reach the restaurant. Immediately as you walk in, you see this big clear screen in front of you over the counter. I guess this is their COVID measure or precaution. Here is the menu. The menu is made out of cartridge paper, but I am not judging. As long as the food tastes good, me not complain. Let's try Brothers. And with Brothers, they come with this elastic over it, I guess. Whoa! Retake. Now this looks good. Let's hope it tastes just as good. I get the sweet, the sour, but this one has a little bit more barbecue taste. Very interesting. And the color is so good, it takes you in, and you get a lot of, I think this was one of the most expensive ones. You get your money's worth. I was wondering why is it so expensive, but now me understand. Let's go in for some of the fried rice. It's good. I'm getting like that mild salty taste from the soy sauce. When it comes to Brothers, I am only getting a sweet or a barbecue taste. I'm not getting that tangy sour taste, but it looks good. It is like really red and it pulls you in, but it's not what I'm expecting. I'm gonna put this around 2 on the leaderboard. It cannot pass Bamboo Garden so far, but you get a lot of food. You can share this for 2 persons. Want some? Let's move on to the next one. So the third restaurant is a new kid on the block. I say that call it? Yes. So a lot of persons are talking about this restaurant. So let me go and try it. It's called Flaming Wok. Alright. So as we enter, me like this, it have a little buzz. The menu is beautiful, it's placed right above. Yes, things expensive in a JA. But firstly and importantly, I have to say, I love the layout. It's an open kitchen. You can smell the food they're preparing. You can see it. It's just like, it gives you that authentic Chinese restaurant vibes, you know. And I love the seating area, you know what I mean. And then you have a little waiting area where you can sit and wait until your food is ready. And I am expecting a lot from this food, and I just can't wait. So come, let's do this together. Moving on to Flaming Wok. I have high hopes for this because it's just what, $9.50? Not bad. Get this out of the way. Let me hurry up and go ahead and. Right. Wow, this is cute. The packaging is also cute. It's lovely. This looks very nice. I love steamed vegetables. This tastes like some authentic Chinese food now. Steamed vegetables still have the crunch, still fresh but not raw. You know, it's cooked but still crunchy. Fried rice, it is salty. It tastes more seasoned. It's just not soy sauce. I'm getting the scallion. Now, let's move in for what we have all been ready to taste. Get a little bit of sauce. This tastes really good. I'm going in again. Something about it. So a little bit. I got a little bit of chicken, little bit compared to China chicken. But a little bit of food, yeah. Little bit. No man. A Jamaica, we can't pay $850. I get a little bit of food, yeah. No, it tastes good enough, but okay, no buts. I'm getting an oriental taste like what I got from the Bamboo Garden restaurant. And so I'm going to like place it right beside Bamboo Garden. I think it's a tie. The chicken tastes similar, like, yeah, very similar. I'm getting that sweet and sour taste. It is balanced. The fried rice is flavorful, and I love the steamed vegetables. It's cooked but yet still crunchy. It's giving me that authentic Chinese food. Yeah, everything has love in it. It's really good. I love it. So let's move on to the fourth restaurant, what we call Kong Kong. Yeah, so here's the menu. Yeah, things not cheap in a J. but we have to make our way. Alright, we're not singing. It's not a singing competition. It's a food review show. I love how everything is open. All the food is beautifully shown. But yeah, the food cook on the back and them just like show you a front how it look and you choose, and me love it like that. Let's go. Alright, so this is Kong Kong. Fair is the most reasonable option. Wow. So we're gonna start. Let's try this again. Let's just go straight into it. This one, very strange. It's not as sweet as the other one. Hello. Want chicken? But I get more tang. I get more tang from this chicken than the others, and so it's a little bit less sweeter, but more tangy. And I love that. Weird enough, this is the most reasonable one. Let's go for the fried rice. The fried rice doesn't really taste like fried rice. It tastes like white rice with soy sauce on it, but it's still flavorful. It's still salty. You still get that soy sauce taste. But for now, we get some cucumbers in the sweet and sour. Wow. They're definitely not playing with the sweet and sour. I'm getting that sweet and sour taste. Kong Kong, what I really love is that you get your money's worth. It costs relatively the same as the other options, but you're getting a lot, and you can eat this, full your belly, go back to work with niggeritis, or you can leave some for tomorrow to warm up for breakfast, or you can share some with a friend. But all in all, you get your money's worth. Now, I love that you get the sweet and sour taste. So this is definitely no barbecue chicken, but it not really so oriental as the Bamboo Garden and the Flaming Wok. So that is why I would place it below Flaming Wok and Bamboo Garden, but above what I want to call China Trail. Yeah, it just in a middle. So this is the review, guys. Beautiful Jamaican Chinese food, sweet and sour chicken. This is how we eat our sweet and sour chicken. So stay tuned until next time. Where we gonna go? Oh, stay tuned. You get. So if you'd like to order any of these Chinese food or any other food around town, you can use Tekopi Courier Service. It's like Take It Up, but we call it Tekopi, the Jamaican Creole version, you know. So guys, thanks for watching. You know me love you now, and stay tuned for another episode. One love.